Wake up. Meaning, stop sleeping. Example, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Get up. Or maybe, get out of bed after sleeping. Either way, example, sleep is a big part of our daily routine, for work, and English has so many useful phrases related to meaning. So, let's start with phrases or a short rest. Example, I like to lie down and read a book. Nod off, meaning, fall asleep for a short time, especially sitting up. Example, he nodded off during the lecture. Drop off or doze off, meaning, fall asleep unintentionally. Example, I kept dropping off during the meeting. Turn in, meaning, go to bed. Example, I'm really tired, so I'll turn in early tonight. Drift off, meaning, gradually fall asleep. Example, she drifted off while watching TV. Crash out, meaning, fall asleep very quickly due to exhaustion. Example, after the long flight, I just crashed out on the couch. Lie in, meaning, stay in bed longer than usual. Example, I like to have a lie-in on Mondays. Sleep over, meaning, spend the night at someone else's place. Example, we slept over at our friend's house after the party. Sleep through, meaning, continue sleeping and not wake up despite noise. Example, I slept right through till lunchtime. Sleep on it, meaning, delay deciding until the next day. Example, let's sleep on it and decide tomorrow.